My name's Robert McNichol. I'm the Systems Administrator here at Service Master Restore of Fraser Valley. We are a 24/7 emergency restoration service. We respond to fires, floods, impact, storm damage, trees down. We'll respond to anything that's damaged your home or business, and we'll bring it back to a pre-damage condition. The biggest challenge that we faced was phone breakage, almost monthly. We were previously using a non-rugged phone, so we were sending them out constantly. Once we moved to the rugged device, it's been 8 months since we've had to send a phone out for repair. They're rock solid. They just withstand the abuse that our techs put them through. We use our smartphones for documenting every step of the process. We take pictures of disasters before we are on site. We take pictures of individual items, pre-restoration and post-restoration, through the repairs of whatever building or structure we're on, all the way to the end where we release that structure back to the owners. The operational challenge that we face the most is the environment that we have to work in. We have to work in extremes of weather, from rain, snow, to heat, other environmental factors such as dust, debris, smoke, mold, asbestos, lead. With a rugged phone, we don't have to worry about the phone being available. We know we can clean it. We know it can survive drops. We know it can survive bumps and scrapes. Whether it be cold of winter, the heat of the summer, they've got to work, and the rugged phones do. Without the smartphone, we can't do our job. For us, the top 3 things that we needed in a device was something that was able to withstand the abuse, good battery life, and the ability to change that battery if the battery ran out. We run long hours sometimes. If there's a catastrophe happening, like a few years ago when we had the floods, some of our guys were out 16 hours because that's what was necessary, and that's the team that we have. And also the ability to use the device within those isolation suits with gloves on. We compared Samsung, the XCover, against a number of other brands, and Samsung was the only one that had all of the features we need. It wasn't even a fair comparison in a lot of cases. The choice was an easy one. Once we had made the decision to go rugged, the Samsung phone stood out.